From Flo Athens. Hi, Tad. One question. I'm trained in complementary medicine. I've been teaching massage therapy and herbal medicine since 2004. Amazing. Now these are considered different niches. And I've been wondering about my marketing strategy, both in YouTube and elsewhere. What is your advice on keeping things cohesive and relevant? Keep up the good work, uh, Eleftheria. Um, okay, I'm trained in complementary medicine and have massage therapy. I've been teaching massage therapy and herbal medicine. Right. So you have these different modalities, uh, massage and herbal medicine. How quickly I forget. Yes, massage and herbal medicine, and they seem different. And how do you create a coherence there? Well, if you focus on the modality, like the boat, your ideal clients on island A, they want to be on island B. You've got this boat. If you focus on the boat, you've got two boats, and there's no getting around it. So that's not going to be the way to do it. So here's some other things you can build the coherence around. One, most important, is this journey from island A to island B. That you might be using the same two boats for these different boats for the same journey, right? So you might, yeah, both of those might be used to help people with anxiety attacks, to help them with that. Both of them might help people with chronic stress. Both of them might help people who are struggling with cancer. You see what I'm saying? So you could have the journey, and then people don't care what the boats are because the journey is the same. Another thing that you can focus on is the bigger why. So if you think about that, that's like the sky and the sun above this whole journey that kind of it's the firmament, the dome that encompasses all of it. So let's just say you do that. And then I would recommend you check out Simon Sinek's work. He wrote a book called Start with Why, Find Your Why. He did a YouTube video called How Great Leaders Inspire. I would dive into that because sometimes it's the bigger mission that we speak about that unifies everything. The example I always give is there was a woman who did breast massage in Edmonton, for lymph drainage, breast cancer, this kind of thing. So on one level, there's the boat, breast massage, but then she felt sort of limited by that. And I said, what is this really about for you? And that's the question I'd give to you. What is your work really about? At the end of the day, why are you doing it? And she said, oh, it's women's empowerment because this is about being in touch with your body and boundaries and health and all this. Now, if her focus is women's empowerment, she can now do women's circles. That's a different modality than massage. She could do book clubs. She could have retreats. She could do one on one coaching on women's empowerment. You see what I'm saying? Suddenly, all these things open up. All the different boats fit under this sky. All the different boats can do the same journey. So those are the two things I would think about in terms of bringing alignment between those. So I'll leave that there. Thank you so much for your question. And we'll go back.